Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today, and thank you for joining me in SpringWatch. 14 video projects coming out to you back to back to back for 14 days, and they are all focusing on the spring celebration catalogues, and they are all coming with a gift every day. Today's gift, because I'm using Fruit Basket Gorgeousness, is going to come with the Fruit Basket bundle, which is the Fruit Basket stamp set and the 4 matching punches, which I love. So that's today's giveaway. How to enter? You can enter one of 2 ways. You can have a free entry by leaving a comment on YouTube, here on YouTube, or on my blog. Just leave a comment and that will get you 1 entry. Or you can place an order today and that will get you 5 entries. And I can take orders from 5 countries: the United Kingdom, the Netherlands, France, Germany and Austria. Now that's the only place I can send these products to, so if you are a randomly drawn winner from a different country, can't send you the product, but I can send you something I've made myself. And today's project is this. I'm calling it a pen sleeve. I love these pens. I'm a bit of a fan of cute pens. I have lots in my office. And these popped up on Facebook, of all places, on my timeline, and it was around November the 5th. I know that because I was looking at them when we were on our way, we were driving quite a long way to go and see some fireworks. And then a few days later we went on stage, saw the spring summer catalogue, and immediately out jumped at me was the Fruit Basket set, Tutti Frutti suite, I should say. And I went straight back to the online store and ordered them. It's from a shop called Kawaii Pen Shop. Do not expect them to come quickly. They ship worldwide, and it was between Christmas and New Year before mine arrived. So that is a good 6-7 weeks before they arrived. But aren't they gorgeous? They're lovely pens. Yes, they do have Oriental writing. I don't know what language that is, but these are just lovely, and they're actually loose. So we've got melons, we've got kiwi, we've got strawberries, we've got apples, we've got oranges, which kind of matches all of our gorgeous paper from the Fruit Basket, the Tutti Frutti suite. So we've got melons going on there, we've got pears, there's definitely the kiwi, and obviously the fruit that I've used there. Now, the strawberry, however, which is the one that I'm going to work with today, is pink, not red. So I decided not to go with the strawberry paper, and instead I decided to go with this one, which has got raspberries and I suspect loganberries, and I just love it. I decided to make a sleeve rather than a box for these because actually I wanted to show off this gorgeous little bit. They're called, I think they're called treasures, something like that. They are loose and they are on a key ring, and I wanted to show that bit off. So I decided I was going to go with our cellophane bags. Love these. They're 2 by 8 inches, so about, I don't know what that is in metric, 5 by, I want to say 20. Yeah, 5 by 20 centimetres. And I could have cut them down because, you see, the designer series paper is 6 inches long, not 8 inches. So I did consider doing it like that and putting that in there, but then it meant that the pen was sticking out. So I decided to go with my cardstock fitting nice and neatly inside. That meant, however, that I had a gap somewhere. I could have stamped it. In the end, after much fiddling about, I decided I was going to stick it in the middle and use washi tape because we've got 5 washies in our collection for the Tutti Frutti suite, and I think washi tape is one of those funny things that we just don't know what to do with, other than covering pegs and putting them around a tin can, which is what I've done. So this part, let me find my notes just to get it correct, 8 by 2 inches, 20 by 5 centimetres. This one, 6 inches by 1 3/4, which is 15 centimetres, or 15 1/4. Don't cut it down if you're in metric. 15 1/4 by 4 1/2. And just kind of roughly go in the middle, like that. And just go with some nice contrasting washi tape. So I think I'm going to have that one. I think that one would lose itself. Maybe the yellow. We'll have a bash and see what it looks like. You know me, I make one sample and then the one I make on camera, I have no idea what it's going to look like. So, and yes, I did put a back on that. I thought I did. This is what happens when you prep about a week and a half before you actually make your project. So that is quite cute. So you can do one of 2 things. You could wrap it round, which is what I did, and then I backed it, or you can just come along and trim it off, which is what I'm going to do now. And I think I might put different colour down at the bottom. I might put this darker colour. Very sweet. When I can find the end. Where's the end? There it is. So I'm going to put that one down there, and then I think I'm going to put the dark green down. Just play. That's the fun of washi tape. If you don't like it, just change it. Oh, I'm never going to find the end of this one, am I? Let's use this one. We could be here all night otherwise. And that meant that I could use the designer series paper I wanted to without having issue or too much cardstock on display. And it meant I got to show off the washi. So, super duper simple. All you do is you slide it in. Now you could turn this into a bookmark, I reckon. I think that would work quite well. Slide it in there, and it means that I can have this lovely dangly bit on show, and now it's just a case of shapes. And obviously, because I've got strawberries going on in there, I'm going to use my strawberry punch and my strawberry stamp, and that's moved. So let me grab some blocks and some Whisper White, and that bit will do. So the punch is actually smaller than the stamp, so you don't need the outline for it. Where's the little fuzzy top gone? There it is. So we'll have, well, you see, I don't know whether to do pink now because that's pink there. I think I will just stick to red. Questioning myself. And I will have 3 of them. And I reckon garden green would look very good as the top. Now, I don't know how accurate I'm going to be because I can't actually get my head completely over the top, but I'm going to do my best. I hope I haven't just got my hair in the way. Well, 1 out of 3 was accurate. And when you come in with your punch, you do leave a bit of edge round it, but that is okay because you don't want to have white edge round your strawberries or your fruit. There we go, 3 of those. Where's my mini dimensionals? Oh, I lost them in another video. Right, actually, you know what? I'm going to use glue dots because I do want them to stick directly to here. So, mini glue dots. Oh, throw my fuse around. And just scatter them. And actually, I found it worked quite well to cover up the... I wanted the fruit to show there, and I wanted to cover up the barcode. So a little scattering of fruit here works very well. And you could do as many as you want. So cute. And then just to finish, again from the same suite, we've got these gorgeous sequins, which are currently mixed in with my epoxy glitter shapes, which I lost in a previous video. But they are gorgeous. They come in all sorts of colours. There's the pink that would probably go really well with those, but I'm just going to stick with this sort of, it's a slightly iridescent green. Look at that, it's just come off its own sticky bit. But yeah, sticky back sequins, gotta love them. And yeah, they're very slightly iridescent, these particular ones. The others aren't, but it's these yellowy ones are. So cute, so simple. The most adorable pens. They would be a great craft fair project, wouldn't they? Oh, that would be awesome. If you can tear yourself away from keeping them all, that is. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.